Did you know that oregano oil is more than just a byproduct from a delicious herb? It is packed with incredible benefits for your health and well-being. In this video, we will uncover the amazing properties of oregano oil that you should know about. Background: oregano oils have antioxidant, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties and may play a positive role in areas such as weight management and infection treatments. Oregano is botanically known as Origanum vulgare and is a flowering plant from the mint family. In its unrefined form, it is most often used as an herb and spice. However, there are two kinds of oregano oil that have different uses: oregano essential oil and oregano oil extract. Oregano essential oil is made to be used topically and is not intended to be consumed internally. Oregano oil extract, on the other hand, is widely available as a supplement and can often be found in pill or capsule form. Oregano contains compounds called phenols, terpenes, and terpenoids. These have powerful antioxidant properties and are responsible for oregano's fragrance. Thymol: this compound is a natural antifungal agent and can also support the immune system and may protect against toxins. Carvacrol, shown to stop the growth of several different strains of bacteria. Rosmarinic acid, as a powerful antioxidant, helps protect against damage caused by free radicals. The 9 benefits and uses of oregano oil. 1. Natural antibiotic: oregano may help fight bacteria. There is limited research suggesting that oregano essential oil may have protective effects against some bacteria which cause urinary and respiratory tract infections. This may also hold true for oregano oil extract since it contains many of the same compounds as oregano essential oil, but further study is needed. 2. May help lower cholesterol. Oregano and its oils contain numerous polyphenols including carvacrol and thymol. Some research suggests that these active compounds help to lower cholesterol. These findings came from a small number of studies, and some studies included animal subjects. More research is needed to get a better picture on this potential benefit. 3. Powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are a natural product of metabolism but may also play a role in aging and in some diseases, such as cancer and heart disease. One study found that oregano had the highest concentration of antioxidants from a collection of 39 other commonly used edible plants. 4. Could help treat yeast infections. Yeast is a type of fungus. Typically harmless, but can result in infections. Certain forms of candida yeasts can cause infections in the mouth, blood, and internal organs. Studies show that oregano essential oil is effective against the development of candida infections. 5. May improve gut health. Oregano essential oil may benefit gut health in several ways. Oregano oils are rich in anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antiparasitic, and antibacterial properties. Interestingly, studies show that carvacrol and thymol can help to treat small intestine bacterial overgrowth. 6. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is linked to many adverse health effects. Oregano oil and its components may help reduce inflammation in mice, though more studies are needed for humans. 7. Could help relieve pain. Research shows that oregano essential oils have promising applications in pain management. Older animal studies suggest that carvacrol compounds may have pain-relieving properties. Oregano oil may significantly reduce pain in mice, providing pain relief similar to those of some analgesic medications. 8. May have cancer-fighting properties. Preliminary studies have shown that carvacrol inhibits cancer cell growth and causes cell death in lung, liver, and breast cancer cells. 9. May help you lose weight. Oregano oil may aid weight loss and benefit obesity treatment. Oregano oil may be beneficial for weight loss through the action of carvacrol, though human studies are needed. How to use oregano oil. Oregano oil extract is commonly available in tablet or capsule form from most health food shops or online. Oregano essential oil is applied topically according to the instructions of the product. Note that no essential oil should be taken internally. It is always a good idea to consult your healthcare provider if you are on any type of medication before adding it to your regimen. In summary, oregano oils have proven benefits and some that are still being researched. It may not be a miracle herb, but it is one more wholesome ingredient in your recipe for overall wellness. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you learned anything, please click like and subscribe.